Hello everyone, this is Jackie, a local tour guide in Beijing with ChinaTours.com. Welcome to Beijing. With more than 1,000 years as a capital, Beijing is a city shaped by the empires through 5 ancient dynasties before becoming a capital of modern China. It's not only a metropolitan with an advanced transportation system, the eco-friendly environment. It's a cultural center of China as well as a world-famous Asian city with 8 World Heritage Sites verified by UNESCO. At the heart of the legacy stands the Forbidden City, the world's largest imperial palace complex. Walking through the gates is not a simple sign. It's a journey into century historical ritual, architectural precision, and a cultural symbolism. Behind me is a hall of a supreme harmony, the largest and most magnificent hall in Imperial China, a place where power, ceremony, and beauty converge. It was the stage on which emperor appeared before the world, transforming architecture into symbol of ultimate authority. Not only the Forbidden City, the Temple of Heaven, the Summer Palace, the Great Wall of China, there are many must-see attractions in China. 吃了吗? Which means have you eaten? More than a traditional greeting in Beijing, it's a reflection of the city's soul. And of course, local cuisine is an essential part of your journey to truly experience Beijing. Right now, I'm in Niujie, the Beijing's most flavorful street. If you are the foodie, this street is the right place for you. So look at the long queue for the 包子。3个牛肉，3个羊肉。Oh, this is the 包子. It's steamed buns, so filled with lamb or beef. It's so good. And this is the hot pot of Beijing style. You may find the tens of thousands of tourists visit Beijing today. Even if you have pre-booked tickets, you may wait for several hours to get inside the attraction, such as Tiananmen Square. Please relax and enjoy your journey. As your local tour guide, I will help match your schedule and make your experience as smooth as possible. If there is anything you'd like to do or any place you wish to visit, I'll be happy to assist. This is Jackie with ChinaTours.com. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you in Beijing to explore the secret of the magnificent imperial capital.